Well, President Obama, it seems that the insurance companies have put you in a bad place. Of course, you wouldn't have been able to get a health care bill through without some of their help. I only wish that I could get it. I'm told because I have Medicare already, I can't get Obamacare, Romney Care, affordable health care. Um, it's a shame that there isn't a public insurance company taking care of all that. Rather, a government insurance company. If you had gone that way, well, maybe the insurance companies wouldn't have sent out all those notices to people saying that you're no longer on our insurance policy has been canceled. Well, they were canceling insurance policies for those who got critically ill or have cancer, you name it. These companies had death panels. And I guess that's why they chose to, cancel some insurance policies so you would look bad. Well, President Obama, I voted for you. And, my complaint is there should have been the government running the system. It should have been good for all the people in this country, including this disabled senior. I hope, that somebody in Congress or the Senate will add on a government-sponsored health plan that takes care of more than 80%. Because to be honest, I don't trust the private insurance companies. And at this point, I haven't seen a doctor in a year. Though I did get my medication for that year from the last doctor. But I still don't like private insurance. And 80% isn't enough. And roughly speaking, I only make at you could say $17,000 a year. That's taxable income. So, unfortunately, I'm stuck because these agencies have told me I can't get affordable health care. And I'm asking myself why. I would like a better plan. I'm on Medicare, yes. Only because these private insurance companies showed me that they want to put their hands in my pocket. Along with a few other people who have been stealing from me, but no government agency seems to be willing to help me out with that either. Or the fact that I can't even get a credit report when I've sent the credit company what they sent the apartment building where I wanted to live. I wrote to them and they said they need more information. Well, hell, What more information do they need, since I already gave them the first sheet of what I think it was called Cabana Royal, Burien, Burien, the city of Burien in Washington State. So, if they could give that apartment complex information, and I gave them what the apartment complex gave me from the insurance, except they didn't credit report rather, they didn't tell me what they gave. And I like to know, because I'm tired of living in certain apartment buildings where I'm constantly being robbed. And them telling me that, aren't you going back to New York? Well, I'm not going back to New York. The humidity is murder on my health. But I guess someone does want me to go back to New York. They don't care if the humidity might kill me. They don't care that I'm being robbed. In fact, knowing that person, since they're in a certain illegal group that seems to be one of the special interest groups here in the United States, I can't get justice. I want a public health care system that's affordable, that covers practically everything. I'm surprised the Republicans didn't ask for it. Because that would have made the Democrats look bad. But then, with their drug bill, they only served the drug companies. In fact, the guy who wrote it for the Republicans now works for the drug companies. So I'm asking, who out there can get me an affordable health care that will keep me alive? Because I have a drug plan through my union. Though I'm still waiting for November's pension check. I'm wondering whether I'm going to get it. There's a lot of problems I'm facing because of my former mother-in-law. Her daughter was a good woman. The only problem her daughter had was her mother. That ruined things for her. I mean, her mother was such a good mother that when my late wife was a child, she had a fever that went unchecked that eventually destroyed her kidneys. Do I have to die too to get justice so that woman won't kill me? Because I'm not going back to New York to marry a Puerto Rican woman. I'll never marry another Puerto Rican woman as long as I live. Because of that woman who lives in 550 Broadway. I believe that's the address. 2H. That's the apartment number. When and where can I get justice? It seems not even in America can I get justice. And this is supposed to be the land of the free, home of the brave. Well, I think I'm being brave making this video. Because at this point, I think I'm going to die anyway. Because I don't believe there's an agency out there who's willing to investigate corruption and organized crime. I'm tired of money disappearing from banks. I'm tired of the union sending me a W-2 form stating I get all my money, and when I was living in San Diego, this problem happened where I didn't get a check, but the W-2 form claimed I got that check. Well, that's why I'm making this video, to tell the world of all the problems I have, and who out there can get me justice. Well, I'll get my pension check, and I'm the one who spends it, not somebody else, because it's happened too many times. Do I get an affordable health care? Do I get justice? That's what I'm asking for.